Hey guys, this is a restoration part one. This is the prep work that goes on for a 4-ply BUR flood and gravel restoration using a rubberized asphaltic coating. So step one is to remove all the gravel. You can see the adjacent roof here still has its gravel surfacing in place. This is taken off by a vacuum. These hoses can go up to 300 feet and reach every area of the roof. Vacuums that gravel down into a bucket in the parking lot. Once the gravel is removed, we're able to see some of the deficiencies on this roof that need to be repaired prior to putting the restorative coating on. So here's a blister, another blister. This roof was tested prior to starting this project using a physical test of the tensile and tear strength of the roof, as well as the remaining interply adhesive to make sure that it was a good candidate for a restoration. One thing to remember is that you cannot restore a failed roof. You got to catch a roof when before its life expectancy is done, before it gets saturated insulation in here, and then that makes it a candidate for a restoration, which is about half the cost of a full replacement and way less destructive to the client. So right now they've been spudding away from the perimeters. You can see that around this drain we've got an 8-foot by 8-foot spud, and the reason why is we're going to sump that drain and put new membrane and new insulation in that spot. Along all the perimeters, these are going to get new SBS rubberized mineral surfaced flashings that extend onto the field by 12 inches. So you can see they spud away to allow for that prep work to continue. And once this gravel's all vacuumed off and pressure washed, we'll be making these repairs on the field and then priming the field with an asphalt-based primer, and then finally with a rubberized flood coat that is SBS as well, moves and flexes with the expansion contraction of the roof and is fire rated. And on top of that, we'll be replacing with new pea gravel. Look very much like a brand new roof. We'll give about a 20+ year life expectancy and half the cost of a roof replacement. Thanks for taking a look.